Hello children, see we have completed with most of the grammar portion now. So we will be moving for the second term now, and the lesson for second term, that is we are going to see the lesson number 14 from your textbook, that is Fun with Grammar, lesson number 14, the tense. Now what is the tense we are going to see, that is lesson number 14, the tense. And this lesson is a very important bit, though it is complicated or we can say bit too hard to understand, but we'll see, we'll make it easy and we'll be learning it clearly. So I'll be writing some of the sentences on the board. If I write, I'll be writing some of the sentences. I go to school every day. Second, I went to school yesterday. I went to school yesterday. And next is, I shall go to school tomorrow. I shall go to school tomorrow. Now if you see here some words, I'll underline it. I go, went and shall go. Okay, I go to school every day, I went to school yesterday, I shall go to school tomorrow. These are the three different sentences, and if you see, the verbs are also changed. Go, went and shall go. See, sentence first is expression action in the present tense every day, means this action of going is stated in present tense. Okay, this action is in the present time, this action is going now in the present time. Second one, if you see, I went to school yesterday. I went to school yesterday, this action is done in the past. Yesterday, today is, this is today, and yesterday, that was the past. So I went to school yesterday, that is the action has been done in the past. So that is past tense. And the last sentence, if you see, that is this shall go is likely to happen in the future. This action is going to take place in the future. So that is future tense. So all these sentences, if you see, I go to school every day, this is present tense. Then I went to school yesterday, that is past tense. And I shall go to school tomorrow, that is future tense. Okay. So every day means at present, yesterday means past, and tomorrow means future. So these are the three tenses we can see, that is present tense, past tense and future tense. Sorry, present tense, past and it is future tense. So now we are going to study in detail about present tense, past tense and future tense. Now here also, in the tenses also, we can see the verbs, they go on changing according to the tense. That being form of verbs they change, doing form of verbs also they change, and have form of verbs also they change according to the tenses. That it changes according to the present tense, past tense and future tense. So that we are going to see here now. First of all, I told you there are three tenses, that is present tense, when the action is done in the present time, that is present tense. When the action is done in the past, that is past tense, and the action which is going to take place in the future or likely to happen in the future, that is future tense. So these are the three tenses, that is present tense, past tense and future tense. Now the next important thing is what? We will be learning simple past tense, simple present tense, simple future tense, and these all simple past tense, present tense and future tense. We will be learning through the form of verbs, that is being form of verbs, doing form of verbs and have form of verbs. And again later on we will be studying in detail all the tenses. So first we will be seeing be form of verbs. Be form of verbs. Now you know be form of verbs are am, is, was, were, then shall be and will be. So this we will be seeing through this tenses now, how they go on changing through the, how these verbs they change according to the tense. Now we will be seeing about only be form of verbs. Be form of verbs, so you know am, is, are, was, were, will be and shall be. Will be and shall be. So how they will go on changing we will see now. First we will see about simple present tense. This is simple present, then simple past, and next is simple future tense. Okay. So simple present tense, simple past tense and simple future tense, and we are going to see about the be form of verbs. I told you be form of verbs are am, is, are, was, were, shall, will be and shall be. So how they will change according to the tense. Just pay attention. Now suppose I will and also we will be seeing the pronouns, how they will change. According to the pronouns also which verb you are going to use. So if we will see, we will take I, then we, then you, he, she, it and that is they. These all are the pronouns, or we can say first person, second person, third person. I is the first person, you is the second person, then he, she, it, they all are the third person. No need to go very deeply in that, just we will think that these all are the pronouns. Okay, these all are the pronouns. Now these pronouns, how we are going to use the be form of verbs for these all pronouns, and according to the tense, how we are going to use in present tense, how we are going to use them in past tense, and how we are going to use in the future tense. So do not get confused for anything. First I told you there are three tenses, that is present, past and future. Then the next thing is what? Be form of verbs, that is am, is, are, was, were, will be and shall be. Next third thing is what? These all are the pronouns. I, we, you, he, she, it and they. Now how these all are the pronouns. For these pronouns, how we are going to use the be form of verbs in the different tenses, for present, for past and for future. Now suppose I am going to use for present tense this am. I am a girl or I am a boy. Simple sentence. For past tense, same pronoun will take. I was not well. I was not well. Then in future tense, I will be or shall be. I will be or shall be. I will be coming to school or I shall be meeting you tomorrow. So in this way, so I am a girl or I am a boy, or I was a student, or here we can say I will be coming to school tomorrow or I shall be meeting you tomorrow. This was about I pronoun. So this verbs we have used, be form of verbs we have used, am for present tense, was for past tense and will be or shall be for future tense. And you know I is a we can say singular noun, it is singular. So we have used am, was and will be, shall be. Next we will see we. Now we is a plural noun, we, many. So we are going to use now we are boys, or here we were playing, and here now we will be, will or shall be, we will be or shall be. We will be coming to school tomorrow, we shall be going to school tomorrow. Okay, so here also I told you, I, as I is a singular noun, am, was, will be, shall be. We, this is a plural noun, we, many. So we are going to use, already we have studied this, we are boys, we were playing, and we will be going to school tomorrow, or we shall be coming to school tomorrow, in this way. Next pronoun is you. Now here you, we are not going to use is or am, we are going to use are, or we are not going to use was or was also. Means am, is, was, this we are not going to use, are or sorry, are or were. You are a girl, you were not well, or for you what you are going to use, you. Now here you will be or you shall be, no. In future tense we are not going to use this you. Okay, you will be coming tomorrow, you shall be coming to, means we are not going to say anything for the second person. But here you are not, you are boys, you were not well. So you will be or you shall be, no. Okay, so this was about you. Next we will be saying all these pronouns, he, she, it. Now for these pronouns we are going to use is. He is a boy, she is a girl, it is an animal. But this is about present tense. Okay, we all are talking about present tense. Now for past tense, for he, she and it, what we are going to do? He, she and it. He was, okay, he was not well, she was not well, it was yesterday, like that. Then here we have used for past tense was. Now same, he, she or it. Here what we are going to use? Will be, only will be. He will be coming tomorrow, she will be coming tomorrow, it will be what we can say, it will be very hot later on, we can say in that way. Then will be, only here we are going to use will be. So you should know all this table, which I can say that you should know this table by heart. Now last pronoun will be taking they. Here for present tense, they are boys or they are playing, then they were sleeping, or they will be meeting me tomorrow. So in this way, this is about be form of verbs, where we are going to use be form of verbs for this pronoun and how they will go on changing according to the tense. That is for present tense, for past tense and for future tense. I am. I am a girl, I was a student, I will be coming tomorrow, or I shall be coming tomorrow. Or we can say we are boys, we were playing, we will be going to school tomorrow, or we shall be playing tomorrow. Then you are a girl, you were not feeling well, here we don't have for future tense. Then he, she or it is, he is a boy, she is a girl, it is an animal. Or he was a student, she was a nurse, or it was very cold yesterday. Then he, she, it will be for future tense. Here for they are playing, or they were sleeping, or they will be coming tomorrow. So this was all about be form of verbs for simple present tense, simple past tense and for simple future tense. Now same table will be there, but the this verb form will be changing. This table will be same, simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense. Only what will be the thing where we are going, now this we have learnt about be form of verbs. Now we will be seeing doing form of verbs. Now this will be changing, this is do form of verbs. Now which are the do form of verbs and where we are going to use them? The pronouns will be same, the tense also will be same. Now only we will be seeing that do form of verbs, how they will be changing according to the tense. So now which are the do form of verbs? Okay. So do form of verbs are do, does, did and will do or shall do. Okay. We have seen be form of verbs, now we will be seeing do form of verbs, that is do, does, did, will do, shall do. Now these verbs where we are going to use and the pronouns will be, the tense will be same as it is simple present tense, simple past tense and simple future tense. Only the thing is what, where we are going to use these do form of verbs, how they are going to change according to the tenses. Now I do my homework, this is present tense. Then I do my homework, I did my homework. For I shall do my homework, shall or will do my homework. I shall do my homework or I will do my homework. Do, okay, do, did, shall do or will do. Do for present tense, did for past tense and shall do or will do for future tense. Next we. Now we form, we, for we pronoun, we do our homework, we did our work, then we shall do our work or we will do our work. Okay. We, do, did, shall do, will do, same. Then you, next is you. So you do your work. Now here you did your work. Here little bit you, again same. Here it won't be for the future tense. Next he, she or it. Here also now only the thing is what, here we are talking about first person, second person and third person. Okay. First, second and we are talking here, but he, she and it. Here we are talking about first and second person. Now here we are talking about third person. So we are going to use the verb does. He does his homework, she does her work, it does their work. Okay. Then here for past tense, he did his work, she did her work, it did their work. Now for future tense, same. Only shall do and will do, out of this will be will do. How there it was will be, same here also will do. He will do his work, she will do her work, it will do their work. So does, did and will do. Only the thing is what I told you, for first and second person we are going to use the verb do, and for the third person does. Next they do their work, they did their work, they will do their work. So in this way, and even for you also we are going to use, you will do your work. same. So this was about do form of verbs, that is do, does, did, will do, shall do. What we have done, only we have changed the form of verb. Simple present tense is as it is, simple past tense as it is, simple future tense as it is. The pronouns also as it is. Only we have changed the form of verbs. First it was be form of verbs, and how we are going to change it. Then do form of verbs also, how it is going to change according to the tense. We have seen that all now. Next, last is have form of verb. Next is have form of verb. Now the table also will be same, like simple present, simple past, simple future. Have form of verb. Now what are have form of verb? That is have, has, had, then will have, will or shall have. These are the have form of verbs. Now the pronouns will be as it is, same table, and only the pronouns will pronouns also same. Now only the tense will change according the verbs will be changing according to the tense. Okay. So if you see now here, we have seen have form of verb. See here. First we have seen be form of verbs, that is am, is, are, was, were, will be and shall be. Second we have seen do form of verbs, that is do, did, does, will do, shall do. Now have form of verbs we are going to see have, has, had, will have, shall have. And we are studying about simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense, and the pronouns as it is, that is a, we, I, we, you, he, she, it and they. Okay. So only what we are doing, we are changing the form of verbs according to the tense. Remember this, we are changing the form of verbs according to the tenses. So if you see now here, I have a doll. I have a doll, or I had a doll, this is for past tense. Then now here I will or shall have. I will have a new dress, or I shall have a new dress. Now we have a new car. We had a new car. We had a car, or here also we will or we shall, same for this. We will have lunch tomorrow, or we shall be going to Pune tomorrow. So in this way. Now you have a book. Here you had a book. Then for this also, now only the thing is what, shall have won't come there, will for same. Okay. Here he, she and it, here we are going to use has, as we have done with does. Okay. Or is. Now he has a pen, she has a doll, it has a we can say it has a tail, it has a tail. So here he, she, it, and for present tense has. Now for past tense had. He had a pen, she had a doll, it had a tail. Now he, she, it, here also only will have. He will have his lunch, she will have her doll, or it will have his food, it will have their food. So in this way we are going to do. Now for they have a car, they had a car, or you and they will have they will have. So in this way we are going to see about these three form of verbs, that is be form of verbs, am, is, are, was, were, will be, shall be. Then next we have seen about do form of verbs, that is do, did, does, then will do, shall do, and then we have seen have also, that is have, has, had, will have and shall have. And what we have done, we have seen simple present tense, simple past tense and simple future tense. And we have seen according to this pronouns, that is I, we, you, he, she, it and they, and how the verbs they go on changing according to the tense. All these three form of verbs, how they change, we have seen in the detail. So, I hope children you have understood it. Just to go through this table, then it will be very easy for you to understand. Now, if you see one note is given in pink, that box, if you see, read it carefully. We use shall only with I and we. If you see here, I and we use shall. Here we have seen a word shall, no, I and we, there only we use shall word, okay, there only we use shall word. Then with all other pronouns we use will, but if you see the other pronouns here, I will, we will, or you will, he will, she will, or it will and they will. So, remember one thing, that with I and we, we use the word that is shall, but with other pronouns, that is with he, she, it, they and you, we use will. But now we generally use with all pronouns. Now we are using, if you see here again, we have used I will here also and we will also. Also we have used shall also with this. Means with all pronouns we use will, but except I and we use shall, okay. Then we use shall I or shall we. Shall I shall know, shall I or shall we, when we offer to do something or suggest something. If you want to say something, okay, we say no, shall I give you a glass of water, or if you want to suggest, shall I suggest you something, or shall I tell you something. Means if you want to suggest something or if you want to offer something, that time we use shall I, not I shall. Shall I means if you want to offer something or if you want to suggest something, we use shall I word or shall we, okay. So, I hope children you have understood with this all shall and will. So, if you see the exercises, fill in the blanks with the different forms of be form of. If you see the first two sentences, as a student, simple past tense, as a student I was good in studies. Then simple future tense, you will be in Bhopal next week, okay, that was A exercise. If you see B exercise, simple present tense, Sonia, now have form, Sonia simple present tense, Sonia she has a diamond ring. Then simple past tense, they had porridge last night, that is have form. Fill in the blanks using different forms of do. Richa did the work on her own Rita do the work on her own every day. Simple past tense, they did well in their exams. Then fill in the blanks using different forms of be, have or do. Elephants have big ears. Elephants have big ears because then if you see, it is now 6 o'clock, means here we are going to take it together, that is be and have and do form of verbs. So, this exercise also I will be sending you. So, once again I will tell you there are three tenses, that is present tense, past tense, future tense, and we have seen the three be form of verbs, that is be form of verbs, have form of verbs and do form of verbs. Also we have seen all the pronouns and how the verbs they go on changing according to the tenses. So, this was about the lesson the tense. I hope children you have understood it, and will be seeing in the exercise, means will be practicing through the exercise. Thank you.